store. See, now you guys are looking around. I like it. All right, 2015-16 National Treasures Basketball Case 2 box break number 3. Appreciate you guys being here, hanging out. 10:49 Eastern Standard Time. J-Dub Franchise, Zadabi AVL, Mikey Wiley. You got Sports Card Rob CB, Big Dog, Stevie F, D-Rob, LC, Jason S, Deuce, Zeeks, Isaac Hope, Tirashi, Mantooth, Labeezy. You got J.E., JT Money, runging in. Stung 1. All right, here we go. This is box 3. You guys remember last night? Put that right up there for you guys. Yep. All right. And here we go. I want to see a nice logo, man. That's what we're looking for here. All right, then you got Danilo Gallinari, 63 out of 99. It's going to Denver. Then you got Tony Parker, 28 out of 99, going to the Spurs. Isaac Hope. Then you got Kyle Korver, and that's 4 out of 75. You get some focus on there, Kyle. 4 to 75, going to Atlanta. Then Mario Hezonja. And I know, like I said, I'm going to botch some b-ball names. Don't you worry about it. And that's 30 out of 99. Going to Orlando. That's Deuce. Then you got 9 out of 99. Ben Wallace. Going to Detroit. Put Sports Card Rob on the board. Then the super swatches of Kelly Oubre Jr. And that'd be 16 out of 25. So, nice looking hit going to Washington, which is Labeezy, 23. Then you got DeMar Carroll going to the Raptors, 68 out of 75. A little on card. So, Big Dog 808. There you go. Then you got Rakeem Christmas, 62 out of 99, going to those Pacers. So who's got Indy? Tirashi. There you go. Nice 3-color RPA. That's what they look like. And then, I'll take it. Notable nicknames. Allen Iverson, 15 out of 25, going to those Sixers. So C. Blust, 21. Solid hit there. And I guess if there's a good time to get it, you might as well get it now. How about Steph Curry, 101? Going to franchise 55. Might as well get it right now, right? So nothing wild there. Let's see if the final box has that good stuff for us.